Hey everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and welcome to another video. This video is going to be posing 101. If you're bored of the same old basic poses, this video is going to be your best friend because I am going to share a lot of tips and tricks and a lot of different poses which will give you some fabulous picture. So if you are interested, then please keep on watching. If you're someone who keeps on repeating the same pose over and over again, which is just standing in front of the camera and giving a big wide smile, don't worry, I was exactly the same. You can see from all these pictures what I did in the past, but I was so bored looking at them because they looked exactly the same, and so I learned my way up, and so can you. So let's get started with pose number 1, which is going to be a hair flip. Very classic but always works. For this one, you can start with either a side profile or a back profile and just flip your hair and the camera will do its job. The second pose that I have is pointing towards the camera. Keep in mind that for this pose, your face is not going to be the focus or the attention for that particular picture, but that's okay. Make sure that you're pointing towards the camera and that is going to be the focus. So for example, you can use your hands to focus on the camera or you can use any prop if you want, and trust me, the pictures come amazing. The next pose is when we are going to try and create some motion for the pictures. Whenever you are in the middle of an action, it just comes out to be a lot more candid and fun. So for creating motion, you can do any of these things, right from enacting as if you're walking on the street or jumping high in the air, or just maybe do like a dance pose where you are right in the middle of some action. And these are some of the pictures that I have for your reference. Next pose is going to be playing with the low camera angle. Usually we tend to take pictures which are either from our eye level or our shoulder level, but the low camera angle always works. So make sure that keeping your camera extremely low so that you look very tall, as well as the background just looks more enhanced, as well as a broader view is covered. But whenever you're posing for a low camera angle, make sure that you're not keeping your chin very high because the camera angle is already low. So make sure that you're keeping your chin a little bit lower than usual, and that is when your face is going to be captured much better than if you keep the chin high. The next pose is going to be using props. Trust me, for the longest time, I always did something like this, like keeping my hands close to my body or just keeping one hand on my hips, and that is basically it. But the real fun pictures come out when you are actually using some props. But unlike the pose of towards the camera, here the prop is going to just enhance and add a fun element to the picture. The focus is still going to be on you. You can use so many different props depending on where you are, either if you are indoors or outdoors. Depending on that, you can use the props that go with the aesthetics of your background, and here are some of the pictures for reference. The next pose that I'm going to talk about, for which I have just come up with a name, and it is going to be called as Palat, because that's what we're exactly going to do in this picture. So start by having your backside towards the camera and then just tilt your head and give a little bit of side profile when you click the picture, as if you're responding to someone who has just called your name, and that's going to be our picture. And that's basically it for this video. I will come up with new creative poses for all of you to recreate, and if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel below if you haven't already. Follow me on my Instagram because I'm active on that as well, and I shall see you very soon in my next video. Until then, bye.